Hi guys, welcome back to Akar. So this time we're going to work on polyline because lastly we have worked on line. The three ways you can do line, which I thought the last one. Now we will be looking for polyline. Let's see how polyline behaves. Okay, you can see it works like a string. You can say you're knotting string at different points, or that can also be called as vortices. But at the same time, with the line also you can do the similar kind of work. But what's the difference? You can see it has elements. If I'll click over it, hold it and move it, it will be the element. Whereas in this, if I hold and move, it will be stretched, elongated like a rubber string. Okay, so that is the basic difference between a polyline and a line, or you can say line segments also. You can see if I hold the vortex, it is elongating from its next vortices. So that is the basic difference between the line and polyline. Let's move further with the thing. So polyline has different sub options also. You can see if I'll give a start point, there appears, let's say, arc, half width, length, undo and width. Some are like conditions and some are like options. So if I'll go with the arc, that I'll definitely be going, but in a later stages when we finish circle and arc. Presently I'm not going for that one. Let's go with the half width. Now it's asking for starting half width. Let's say give it somewhat 20 and the ending half width as 50. Now you can see there is a difference in its width, or you can say thickness. Now it's uniform. After the last one, unless and until I'm not changing it, it remains uniform. As soon as I'll give a space, it will merge it out the corners appropriately. So here what it is, if I'll be giving a 20, then half width will be 20, so total will be 40. You can see this way. Let's say if I'll make a line approximate to this, you can see it becoming 40. Okay, so 20 plus 20, that is half width is your 20, so it becomes a total 40. In the same direction, here we kept it 50. Okay, here we kept it the half width as a 50. So let's see what it's making. You can see it is approximately making 100. Okay, so it makes it double half width, clear, to the total width of the line. Okay, so that is start of the polyline. You can even give the command pl, enter or space. Again I'm starting. You can see last value which I have given 50, it retains. So to again go back to the normal, I need to make it 0, 0, enter, 0, enter. Now it becomes a normal. Now next thing is length. What does it make? Let's give a length as 150. You will see what happening just in a moment. It increases the length of that particular line segment to some extent, although it's adding a vortex. Let me show you. After closing this command, you can see here it becomes a vortex, but you will see there is a 150 addition to the initial line, or earlier line, you can say. Clear? So this is how it is polyline behaves. In this segment. Let's go back to the command again. I started polyline. There is undo, which I don't think that you need to teach. It's just the undo, or you can say control Z also. Similarly, we have now width. Now here width is, as I'm giving 20 again as given before, and 50. But you will notice that there is a reduction. Although I have given it as a 50 and so on, there is a notable difference between both. You can see. So this is total width 20 and total width 50. Okay. Now someone will ask why there has been given two different format, that is half width and even width. Why not just make it double and make it a width? Here there is a catch, and that is polyline behaves like a string. So it may comes up when you give it double click, it will give you polyline edit that we will check later on, but it does make conversion to a string, or you can say curve also. Let's give a spline. You can see it gets converted into a spline. I'm giving a regenerate, but it's not working on this. You can see now it's converted into a spline. What is spline? We'll check it out later on. So here you will find the catch. In such situation where you will have a very acute angle, polyline with width function, that is our criteria, you can say, it will create a band, but there will be a suppression of the width in such conditions. Whereas if you use with the help of half width, there will be uniform width distributed in both the directions, irrespective of the which kind of curve you have. You can say, you can see the width remains uniform, although there was a sharp cut over here also, but still it remains uniform, and it makes, you can see, increment appropriate in the whole curve compared to this one which creeped out. Correct? It's pretty detailed. If you want to know more, give me in comments so that I can explain you with some link. Hey guys, if you like the video, do tap the like button, share it, and give your valuable feedback in the comments below.